Meet ASAFE, your drive's future. Just look at this enormous and crystal clear screen. It's like having a mini theater right in your car. Plug and play with CarPlay or Android Auto. Take your smartphone experience on the road. And hey, no cords needed with ASAFE's wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Your favorite tracks are just a tap away. With accurate GPS navigation, say goodbye to getting lost. ASAFE will always lead you home. Experience enhanced audio with DSP function. Who said you can't have a concert in your car? Keep your hands on the wheel with the steering wheel control feature. Safety meets convenience. And check this out, the colorful light function, bringing the disco straight to your vehicle. For those classic radio listeners, don't worry. ASAFE's got you covered with a built-in car radio. ASAFE even helps you park with a reverse viewing function. And to capture those road memories, there's an optional dashcam feature. That's the ASAFE car control display. Folks, upgrade your driving experience now.